Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing hardware and software so the voice changer can work reliably. Install the app and update audio drivers. Once done, plug in your microphone and choose 44, 1 or 48 kHz for stability. Disable OS enhancements and set input gain so you don't clip. This preserves effects. Then open the voice changer and run the hardware wizard. Configure input device to your mic and output to a virtual audio cable or system playback. Because routing is what lets Once your routing is set, focus on sound design and latency. Start with a bass profile and tweak pitch, formants, and EQ so the result is natural or intentionally stylized. You adjust formants to change timbre without altering pitch. Then set the voice changer output to a virtual audio cable, and in your streaming or chat app, select that cable as input. Make sure buffer size gives low latency for live use, but increase it slightly if you hear glitches. This trades delay for stability. You finish by validating the whole chain under real conditions so you know how it behaves. Join a private room and speak while monitoring output. Check for clipping, artifacts, and matched volume versus your normal voice. Map hotkeys to switch presets quickly and save profiles for streaming, gaming, and calls. If something breaks, first verify the virtual cable is selected in both apps, ensure sample rates match, and turn off exclusive mode. These 3 fixes resolve most routing and silence issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.